Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Me channel, and today I'm gonna teach you how to use checkboxes and radio buttons in Visual Basic. So if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe and so like this video and share to your friends. So let's get started we'll start by creating the interface. So we'll go to a toolbox and look for GroupBox. We're gonna grab two of them and drop them onto our form. We are going to make them bigger, yes, and then we have to get checkboxes. Yes, checkboxes. Get 3. Second checkbox and the third checkbox. Now we need to get radio buttons. We have to get to them, drop them on the second group box, the second radio button, and then we need one more last thing, which is a button. And drop the button here. Go to properties and rename it, and instead of button 1 say show salary. Yes, we're gonna name it show salary, and then now we're going to go to the button, double click the button. Now we are going to input our code so that our program will work. First, we need to output the salary. Whenever you check a box and then show the salary, it has to show you what. So we're going to say if checkbox 1 dot checked, click tab, then message box dot show tab. Yes, have some double inverted commas there, and then salary is under $4,000 US. Then else if checkbox 2 dot checked, then which I'm going to copy and paste this. We are going to say salary is $4,000 US. Tab else if checkbox 3 dot checked, then message box dot show salary is over $4,000 US. So let's test our program. Okay, it's working. show salary. Okay, show salary. But now let's say you check all the boxes, it only shows the first checkbox. So how can we show all the boxes at one time? So you need to just simply copy this and if, and then remove the else, paste and if here, remove the else, and also paste the and if here. So now when we run our program, we check all the boxes. Show salary first, it shows the first checkbox 1, which is then okay, second checkbox okay, then the third checkbox. So that's how you do it. Now what if then we want to disable this button? So whenever we click check radio button 1, this button becomes active. When we click checkbox or radio button 2, this button show salary becomes inactive. How can we do that? So it's simple, we're gonna use the radio buttons. So we're going to double click radio button 1 and say button 1 tab dot enabled is equal to radio button 1 dot checked. So now let's test our program. If you check this checkbox and show salary, it's working. Show salary, it's working. But if you choose the radio button 2, the show salary button becomes inactive. No matter how hard you could try to click it, but still it's inactive. And when you go back to radio button 1, show salary, it's working. We're going back to radio button 2, it's not working. So that's how you can use a radio button. And when you go back to our design, we go to properties. There are many things that you can perform with the radio button. So